That's like, see, that's what I be talking about. These little dolls
Yeah,
be
Sesame
making fucking
Street power,
threats and
blood.
shit.
So what?
Oh God, you better get your ass back before I go get Annabelle for your
Hey, yo,
ass.
I don't fuck with Cookie Monster or
I
Grover.
bet you won't fuck with. I bet you won't fuck with Annabelle though. Oh geez, that bitch will flip your ass
I'll shoot
upside
that bitch
down.
right between her eyes.
Oh God, you don't want no smoke with Annabelle.
Just like her
And I'm
daddy.
gonna
Hey, yo, that first dude, that white dude from Joanne, and he go back to school shopping for pew-pews.
oh God, and then I'm gonna call Big Bird. Oh jeez, he gonna step on
I
your
already
little
put
ass.
Big Bird for Thanksgiving, blood.
That's why you been hating on Big Bird for years. You know Big Bird
You
better.
know, Big Bird cousin was just in the box.
Okay,
You plug in.
so
You just need
nobody
a Barkley Big Bird. Plug in.
and Mr. Noodle left you. I got Mr. Noodle left your ass at the airport.
Let me call Mr. Noodle. Hold on, Mr. Noodle.
You got it. Back. Okay.
Just like your father.
Oh God. Elbow don't even got a daddy. Okay.
You're right, I don't.
So, okay.
I don't.
All right, go ahead and try the poll.
If you, man, I ain't lying. I don't know how you do that shit with your mouth.
I'm queefing. Leave me alone. God damn.
I ain't lying. If you queefing, you need to go to a gynecologist. Oh God.
Yeah.
What up?
Oh shit, my shit not on. I ain't save it. Oh, there you go. Yo, you can go ahead, Beezy.
Oh God, do it. Oh God, Joey. Oh God, Joey, not Don Terrio. You Don Terrio. Oh God.
Hey, Beezy. Hey, Beezy. Your ass built like a bottle of soy sauce. Yo, Beezy.
Oh God, when you kiss your bitches, you be like, "Come back, babe." Okay.
You talking about Beezy? Hey, look. Beezy look like when he get in the bed, his bitch hit the roof.
Oh God. And you tell all your bitches it's either me or that nigga. Oh God. Excuse my language, TikTok. Excuse my language.
Your ass look like half a gallon of chocolate milk. Your big ass.
And then you text him. Really? You gonna choose that nigga? Okay.
Nah, bro, that's funny, Brad. Nah.
Hey, Beezy, bro. Your ears don't want to be ears no more. They hide behind your jaw.
But like for real though, you really gonna choose him though? Okay.
Nah, that's funny though. That's funny.
Yeah, no. That nigga Beezy look like Frank if Frank didn't want to be Frank.
Oh God, and then your ass say, "Bet, say less." Okay.
Yeah, nah. That nigga Beezy head look like a booty.
I'm finna come blow this whole motherfucker up. Okay.
Your ass smell like piss and old iPhone charger. Stupid.
But for real though, babe, stop playing. Okay.
Oh shit.
Alright, Miles, go ahead and drop the poll.
Oh shit, nah, that shit was funny. I needed that laugh. I ain't gonna cap.
Yeah, that's funny. I ain't gonna lie.
I needed that laugh.
For you, Topher.
I'm finna go get my stuff trademarked. So if any of y'all try to take it, I'm coming for you. Hey, me and Ren did a battle earlier. Boy, that shit was hilarious.
Yeah, Ren is funny for real.
Ren is hilarious. Somebody told Ren like a Komodo dragon.
Oh my God. Finally, it's my turn.
You good, bro?
Nah, because he probably switching that.
Oh, you hit 11K?
My AirPod died. Hold on.
He probably finna switch that hat because if it's orange, he know I'm gonna tell him something about it. I know exactly who this is.
They say you hit 11K.
Hey,
I got some.
Come on, man, stop playing. Come on, man, Frank, see your boy line.
Hold on, my bad.
Yeah.
I appreciate y'all though, man. Good? All right.
Oh, he switched it to the white one. Oh,
Beezy,
God,
bro.
he's smart.
Hey, Beezy, on God, son. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Beezy, bro. Your ass smell like gator pussy and ostrich egg, bro. I'm on your ass, boy.
Oh, God. You tell all your bitches, I'm going to slash your tires in the morning. Okay? If you don't call me back right now.
Where you going
okay?
at? You look like that bear from the Jungle Book movie with your bare necessities, the simple bare necessities.
And if I'm the bear,
That's
you
crazy.
Mowgli. Ugly.
No, that's crazy.
Oh God.
Nah,
BZ, I'm not gonna hold you, BZ.
I was both. I ain't
You
gonna
look like
lie.
the Repo Reaper, nigga.
Oh God.
Hold on, let me show you something. Hold on. Let me show you
Oh
something real
God,
quick.
your ass look like the sixth Bone Thug in Harmony.
Hold on.
Ugly. Oh God, your name.
Hey, bro. Hey, guys, this
Oh
is what
God, your
BZ
name
look.
Trizzy
Hey,
Bone. Oh
hold on.
God,
This is
look
like,
at
hey,
your asshole.
BZ got charged for 3 charges of trying to attempt to murder on Nuggets. Hold up.
What is that? Hey man, get that off the screen. What the
Man,
hell is
I'm
that?
trying to tell you, boy, you trying to get us all
Yeah,
kicked. Boys,
man.
you out your
Like,
mind? I just hit 10K, brother. I can't get kicked.
like that's,
BZ
let's
got
see.
locked up.
Yeah, let
I
me
took
dig
it off.
in.
I took it off,
Let's
Slime.
go. Go
My
ahead,
bad.
man.
Oh God, your ass look like a Honduran Tarzan. Ugly
BZ,
nigga.
bro, BZ, bro, I'm on your neck, BZ. BZ, I'm finna get a scarf and scrub that black crevices around your neck. Black ass
Oh
boy, I'm on your
God.
shit.
Oh God, your ass is a. Oh God, you extra Tarzan. Oh God, this how you come through the jungle. Okay.
You hella nasty, BZ. I'm on your ass, boy.
Oh God, get your ass
Look
out.
like your girl gotta lift up your stomach to reach your dick. Ugly ass boy, I'm on your shit.
Oh God, you look like you step on empire just to see how many in there. Ugly nigga.
You look like an obese Klingon warrior, nigga. I'm on your ass.
I got his ass. I got his ass is a sweet ass Tarzan. Okay? Monkeys, come out. Ugly.
That's crazy.
But I'm not gonna hold you, bro. Hold up.
Oh God, that's like Jane. Now you know I don't even swing that way. Bring
You
me
look like this
John.
when you get out the
Oh
shower,
God,
nigga.
Nah, I ain't seen that way. It's crazy. That's crazy.
Hey
that's a
Frank.
bar, Frank.
That's
That's
a
a
bar.
bar. That's
Nah,
a bar.
nah,
Hey,
that's
hey
funny,
Frank, I'm not
man.
gonna hold you. You look like this nigga right here.
Nah.
Oh God, them all your
Oh my
partners
god.
too.
Oh my god.
Hey, them all your partners, and y'all all be in the club like this. Ooh, ooh. Okay.
BZ. Hey BZ, bro. I wanna stab you in your neck, but I don't want my hand to go missing.
What you gonna stab me with, a Twizzler?
Yo, what? Probably would have ate the Twizzler with your big ass.
Pull over.
Your
Pull
name should not be
over. Oh
Beezy. It should
God,
be changed to obesity with your big ass.
oh God, you better get your ass on.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna hold you. Y'all look like 2 obese brothers, bro. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. Oh my god. Frank, he gonna eat you because you a Frank hot sausage.
I bet you thinking about a
Oh
hot
my
sausage
god.
right now, you
Oh my
nasty
god.
thing.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
He like friend.
You smell like Mongolian pig feet.
That's how you talk to your homeboy.
Go ahead, pig feet.
But
What?
Oh
that's
my
crazy.
god.
That is
Oh my god.
crazy.
That's how you talk to
Oh my
your
fucking
homeboy.
god.
Friend.
Bro, you
Friend.
got dirt. You got dirt.
Why they do me
Oh
like
my
that,
god.
friend?
You
Oh God.
got car track tire fucking prints around your neck, nigga. Hold up. Oh my god, you look like Bertram
Oh
from
God,
Jesse.
your ass. Oh
Oh
God,
my
your ass look
god.
like a Venezuelan sand flea.
You know who you look like? You look like Uncle.
Get your ass
You know who you
up.
look like? You look like Uncle Ruckus.
Oh God, your
What
ass
you
look
mean
like
they
a.
got no more chicken?
Oh God, your ass look like a
Oh,
bisexual beef.
oh,
Oh
oh
God,
my
your ass
god.
come around niggas.
Oh my
Buzz,
god.
buzz.
Oh
Oh
my
God,
god. Your
buzz.
favorite hey, you get
Get
horny
your
when
ass
it's show
up.
hey, Bees, you get horny when you hear love that chicken from Popeyes. You look
Oh
like that
God,
babe from the open season with your oh my god. Oh
oh
my fucking
God.
god.
You
Oh
get
my
horny when bitches say period, poo.
with your bare necessities, the
Oh
simple
God.
bare necessities.
Yeah, you can say all that you want, Mowgli.
Hold on. When you
Oh God.
hey, bro, Beezy, I'm not gonna hold you, bro. When you had your kid, bro, did your girl have to lift up your stomach?
Oh God. Your
Oh
name
my god,
is.
bro, Beezy,
Oh
do
God.
you, hey, Beezy, when you and your girl take y'all shirt off, you play with each other titties?
Hey, can you take that
Beezy,
picture off too?
Beezy,
Cause your ass
Beezy,
it
you
look like you got a
look like a
glitch in the
fat ass
system.
milk dud,
Ugly.
Beezy. Beezy, you look like a fat ass milk dud. Hold up, you look like y'all should be young boy never again. Never have eaten. Hold on.
God
Never been
damn, get it
hungry
out.
again. Oh
Jibber
my
mouth,
god.
ugly nigga.
Oh,
I got
oh
his
my
ass with
god.
beatboxing just now. Oh God,
Hey,
get
I'm
it
not gonna
like a
hold you. Hey, bro, I'm not gonna hold you. If you put a white tape around your neck, it
Oh
will be
God,
an
your ass talk
Oreo
like the
with your
nigga
fat ass.
Oh God, your ass
What?
talk like the niggas off a Fat Albert. And people
Hey, You sued Oreo because they made a thin Oreo with your big ass.
I did get your ass
Oh my
on.
god. Oh my god.
And on God, I see that big ass pimple on your forehead.
Hey,
Jesus,
Beezy,
like
Beezy, tell me why I signed a
two-seam
petition.
fastball. On
Hey,
God,
Beezy, bro. Beezy, bro. Don't lie to me, bro. I know you signed a petition to make the Oreo stuff extra layered fucking Oreo cookies with your big ass.
Hey, I ain't even gonna lie to you. On God, you look like you got bit by a spider on your forehead.
You look like
Ugly
Mrs.
ass.
Puff after she gets into an accident. Ugly ass boy.
On God, hey, your ass look like
I'm on your,
plankton.
you look like a
Ugly
soy
ass.
sauce packet, big ass boy. I'm on your
What's the
ass, nigga.
secret,
All right,
SpongeBob?
Miles, go to try to poll.
On God,
Oh
go
my
get your
god.
ass on.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. Oh my god. You look like Frank if Frank shaved his head off. Y'all both. Oh my fucking.
God damn, get it out. You got about 8 run-on sentences going on
Nigga,
right
you get
now.
it out. Get all them fat patties around your neck out,
Good.
nigga.
You
With your
eat
big
your
ass.
ass though. And then I know what you tried to do. You tried
What's
to come
up?
over here and make
What's
your
up?
own little
What's
laugh
up?
and do what I
Hey,
do.
hey, you get hella
Oh
happy when
God,
McDonald's got that 2 for $5
oh God,
special.
your ass is playing Simon
With
Says.
your big
Ugly ass
ass.
nigga.
Hold on,
Nah,
yo
Simon
ass.
said Beezy say laugh. Ugly ass nigga.
Yeah, Beezy about ugly as hell, boy.
Oh God, your ass tried to come with a diabolical plan. Ugly ass
Mo
nigga.
big nose that boy. Boy, your ass look like Browser.
Oh God,
With
you
your ugly ass.
make his own. Oh God, his ass. Oh God, you
I
been
gonna hold
thinking
you.
about this shit all
I'm
day.
not gonna hold you,
Ugly ass
bro.
nigga.
You look like
Oh
that. You
God,
look like that bear from over the
oh
hedge.
God,
No, hold up, bro.
oh
Hold up.
God, your ass
I'm
was
on your
like,
big
okay,
ass.
I'm gonna come on here like Beezy, and then I'm gonna laugh.
Beezy,
Ugly
you
ass
hella
nigga.
nasty.
Oh God.
I saw you, bro. Oh hell no. You look like Godzilla with your big ass. Yo,
Oh
I look
God, you
like.
thought. Oh God, you thought melatonin was a new drink. Ugly
Hey,
ass nigga.
Beezy, if you winning, bro, it's because all these niggas fuck with you. I roast every motherfucker that voted for your ugly ass, bro. I'm on
Nah, I
all
ain't
y'all
gonna lie.
niggas
You
ass.
went hard though. You went
Niggas
hard
like how you
though.
went hard when it was breakfast time with your big ass.
Oh Jesus, you should have went hard with coconut oil.
Hold on.
Dry
Yo,
head ass
your
nigga.
neck look like a Burger King Whopper patty.
Oh Jesus, and your hair look like spaghetti that been sitting in the freezer.
Hold up.
Ugly
You
ass
look
nigga.
like Rod Wave if he never made it. Oh my fucking god.
Oh
Beezy,
God,
bro.
and your
You
oh
need
God,
to
your ass is
hey
Bruno
Beezy.
Jupiter.
Beezy,
Ugly
bro,
ass
I'm gonna tell you
nigga.
the real fat Beezy. If you spend the amount of time you be on TikTok in the gym, you would have been skinny like a couple months ago with your big ass.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you. If you use the
Hold
amount
up.
of
Beezy, bro.
hair quality
Beezy.
stuff,
Beezy, bro, I'm not gonna hold
how
you.
hard
What you
you
need
trying
to
to go
do,
with me?
Beezy?
Oh Jesus, your shit might look
You need
alright.
to get what you need to do is get a car scrubber or whatever and scrub that dirt ring around your neck with your onion ring neck ass.
Hold on, Frank. That was funny.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Don't worry about it, Frank. Okay, I'm finna turn it up there, Frank. I'm
Nigga,
finna
you
turn
built
it
like
up.
a Ford 150.
Duh.
Hold up. Nigga went to KFC. They said, what bucket size you want? He said, the one on the roof.
Nah, man, that's crazy, bro.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh
Dang,
my
man. All right,
fucking
are you
god.
done? Are you
Oh
done
my
talking?
god. Oh my god. Bro, he told a Flash to go back in the timeline so he can retaste that Big Mac. Oh my god. Oh my god. You look like a megalodon. You look like a small faced bear. Your neck is purple. You're fat as fuck. I can't do it. Beezy,
All right.
nigga, your big ass. I know you want to shake with your big ass.
All right, they're saying Beezy won.
Oh, all right, for sure. GG's, bro.
All right, man.
Oh, y'all.
Nah, big dog. Safe.
My fault, G. Hold on. Y'all can see me now?
Yeah.
Nigga, I'm eating fried chicken, cube steak, corn, sweet corn, macaroni, cheese, some sweet potatoes, them bitches gone.
Oh God,
I
y'all
got some
must have had
cabbage
a
on that
family
joint too.
reunion.
You said what?
I said, oh God, y'all must have had a family reunion.
Hell no, my mama threw this shit down for me and my pops for Father's Day and shit. Happy Father's Day to everybody.
She the truth. I ain't
On
lying.
my mama. On God. You ain't never lied. Hey, your ass been over here getting niggas together though. And that nigga out here, he didn't make a motherfucking quit. I'm gonna make a motherfucker
Oh,
quit.
he done turned the camera. Oh God.
What's happening, fool? Oh,
Oh
they want us
God.
to roast. Go ahead and roast, nigga. I'm eating. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, I only see half your face, nigga. You look like a shadow damn near. You need to open your eyes. Can't nobody see shit.
Oh God, your ass look like Snoop, homie Quan. Oh God.
Boy, your ass look like the last motherfucking player on Mortal Kombat. Everybody got a
Oh
motherfucking
God.
elite. Your ass dark as fuck, nigga. You go outside, nigga. You mandatory need a goddamn
Oh
flashlight to rock
God.
out, nigga. Boy, you
I
look like
want
a
to rock
skid
right
mark.
now. Rock right now. Oh God. Snoop
Bro, your teeth look like it's
Dogg.
fighting they gums. You nigga, what the fuck talking about?
Oh God. The nigga say Snoop, homie Quan. Oh God.
Boy, you can't keep laughing at your own joke, my boy.
Okay.
That nigga look like you smoke. You eat Black and Miles, boy. Yo, motherfucker. Put your whole face in the camera, nigga. Ain't nobody trying to see your loafer
On God,
forehead.
it
Boy,
takes
you
one
licked
to
your
know
lips and
one.
made them blacker. Fuck you talking about, nigga. What you
On
mean?
God, you ain't too far off.
I'm not. I swear to God, I'm not, nigga. The little white girl the other day said she could barely see me outside. I'm gonna slap the shit out of the little bitch. Little 4-year-old. I'm gonna piss me off. Boy, nigga, I hope you ain't inside, nigga, with that patio roof you got above you, nigga. Goddamn, you better be outside smoking a Black and Mild or something.
Hey, is that a dog with a helmet on behind you?
Hell nah, I had to look, nigga. I'm hiding motherfucker, boy. I had to make sure. Goddamn, boy. I swear to God, if it was, nigga, shit.
Man,
Nah,
what
that's
that
that see
is?
no. That's that speak no evil. The monkeys and shit. The see no evil, speak no evil, hear no evil. You got his hand over his mouth. Nigga, I thought it was you for a minute, boy. Your
Oh
ass look
God,
like somebody say your name 3 times, you appear out of the dark. Nigga, your ass like it's
nah,
me, motherfucker.
oh God, your ass tell people that's me and Twin and them. Okay.
You got it on them. You got it on them.
Oh God, man, why you get on here, man? You eat your food, man. You supposed to be peaceful right now.
Nigga, I don't give a fuck. Nigga, I'm peaceful right now, nigga. What you mean? I'm chilling. Fuck you mean?
Alright. Miles, go ahead and drop the poll.
Yeah, what? You
Nah,
said
I
you about to
said,
put, you said you about to bring out the poll.
yeah, the Miles
Yeah,
need to drop the poll.
they do a voting thing. They do a voting thing.
Oh shit! I thought he was finna blick somebody down. I was like,
Oh,
God damn, nigga,
Yeah.
what the TikTok, fool?
oh yeah, your ass from the hood for real.
I thought this nigga wanted a piece of the Q state, nigga. Goddamn. I like, nigga, I'll share. I see you sing a clip.
Alright.
Somebody said I'm eating a fruit cup. Nah, my boy, you are a fruit cup. Fuck out my dick, nigga. What talking about? I already showed everybody my food.
Almost at 100,000 likes, y'all. Let's see. Shooting for 9
Hey
more
bro,
minutes.
don't pay attention to the chat, bro. It get a little toxic in there,
Yeah,
bro.
You
it's
said
gonna
they
get
get toxic in
ugly.
that motherfucker?
Oh
You
God.
said they be having mommy and daddy problems on this motherfucker.
Oh God. Hey, niggas be hey, I be seeing people be
Hey, they said
talking
one more
about
round.
Beezy one day,
Somebody
the
said,
next day he ain't funny. Look what he said, Frank.
Yeah, they said the line emotes.
Oh, my mom, Beezy, y'all. You not at the watermelon farm today, gang? Yo, my mama, your ass is free today, huh? They
Oh
let your
God.
ass be a free slave today, or for the.
Oh God, your ass look
Started
like you
running
just
straight towards the North Star, oh, my mama.
Oh
Harriet
God,
Tubman
you look like
cousin
you just
looking at.
told your old lady, let me set the mood. Ugly ass
Hey,
nigga.
hell
Oh
no.
God.
Hey, yeah.
Nah,
Hey,
man.
They caught your ass doing push-ups after the Flash movie on phone. They caught your ass in the auditorium doing straight push-ups for the. Hey, oh hell no, your ass eat dog skin on my mama. Your ass eat straight woolly mammoth ankles on my mama. Your ass nasty as hell. Coyote tongue eating ass, dirt mouth eating
on
ass.
God, your ass is from
Yo,
Chicago. On God, your ass is straight from Chicago. Yeah.
oh, for the your ass is straight from motherfucking Atlantis. On my mama. Blue
Oh
Beetle
God,
looking
your
ass
ass
on
is
my
from
mama. Hey
Chicago.
yo.
So what you is? What you BD or GD?
Hell no, for your ass
Which
wake
one
up.
you is? BD or GD? Which one?
Which one you is? Toothbrush or mouthwash? Fuck you talking.
Oh God, and which one you is? Wasp or Hornet? Oh
Damn, what
God,
happened? It's dangerous. I don't know what's going on.
you heard that bit, huh?
hey,
Oh God,
hey, man.
it sound like a car ran out of battery.
Damn.
Yo ass eat horseshoe tacos on photo. Hey,
Oh God, your ass eat deep fried cricket legs. Ugly ass nigga. Oh God. Oh God.
he
Oh
said deep
God.
fried chicken legs. Hell
Oh
no,
God. You
hell
get
no.
your ass on. Oh God.
Alright, Miles, go ahead and drop the poll.
Hey, I'm black. Why wouldn't I eat this?
The laugh is
That
crazy.
laugh is treacherous. Oh God. That be
What?
treacherous. Hey.
Nah, that's...
hey, hey, for. Hey, on bro. Hey, Beezy, oh, for your ass do handstands on homeless people. Oh, for your ass.
Oh God. Oh God, you got that. Oh God, you got that do rag that say, "Look at my roof. Look at my roof." Oh glad nigga. Oh God, you got that day bitch. Oh God.
Hell no. Your ass
Why
forgot to
you?
take your
Why you gonna
garbage
tell
out to
that
the
to come
curb.
on? Shoot, you ain't got to
Yo, my
deal
mom,
with it.
your ass left
Shoot.
that shit overly.
Oh God, somebody say you
Alright.
look like Frog Morant. Oh God, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Frog were meant. Hell no, your ass look like DeMarcus uncle.
Yeah, facts so.
Oh
Alright,
God,
awesome.
your ass look like Demar and
I
Frozen.
get
Oh, glad
See what happens.
Y'all know what it is.
Yeah. I
Man,
lose
I
in 2
thought that
minutes.
was old boy. Them boys had the same name, boy. That fucked
It
me up.
is
Boy, I'm
me.
about to say. Oh
And I'm
God,
saying
your
last
ass.
time I
Oh
left was
God.
because TikTok thought I was so dangerous, had to kick me out this mug. Now I'm back. Beezy boy, your stretch brother like bacon bits. I'm on your big ass. Bye.
Hey, on God, you
What's
can't
going
be
on?
just popping up like that. On God, you trying to trick bitches. Ugly ass nigga.
Wait, but ugly as hell. You look like when your mama gave birth to you, but the doctor said, "Man, we don't know what this is, but it look like some type of Planet of the Apes."
On God, you use both of your pages and you text one of your bitches and be like, "What's up?" And then you text her back and be like, "Oh, so you trying to fuck with another nigga?"
I'm not gonna
Oh,
hold you, bro. Your ass look like Richard from Amazing Run of
oh God,
Gumball. Big boy,
oh
your
God,
ass look ugly as
oh
hell.
God, your ass throw your own self alley hoops. Ugly ass nigga. Okay.
Muscle man, he ass. You know who else like whoppers? My mom. Ugly ass bum on your shit, but about ugly as hell. Your
I ain't
neck,
gonna lie, your ass look like a fruity ass toucan bird.
but ugly as
Ugly ass
hell,
nigga.
but your ass look like
Oh,
you crush cans after you drink it. Ugly ass boy. Y'all look like you got a zit on your nose.
oh God, you look like you put a knife in the top of a water bottle just so it squirt out. Ugly ass nigga.
Nasty neck ass boy. You look like you eat hot french fries with your kick push body kicked ass.
Oh Jesus.
You know what you look like? You look like Napoleon. You look like you're built like a. You look like no. You look like the pig named Napoleon. I don't know if you ever heard of a pig.
Oh God, yo. Oh
Your
God.
favorite. Hold on. Your
Oh
favorite
God, your
basketball
ass
player is
save
Jim Duncan,
water.
nigga, because
Oh
it
God.
sounded like Dunkin' Donuts with your big ass.
Oh God, you the first nigga ever save water. Oh
I'm
God,
not.
it's
Hey, Beezy,
unlimited.
bro.
Ugly nigga.
Beezy, but you look like you go to the gym in the first 15 minutes. You say, oh, I'm done, and walk out with your big ass. Boy, I'm on your ass, boy.
Oh God, you look like the type of nigga that dry yourself out with the towel and hang it over the rack and then use it again tomorrow. Ugly
Hey, Beezy,
nigga.
when you get out the shower and put the towel on, and when you take it off, it stinks. Ugly ass, boy, I'm on your shit, boy. You about big as hell. You built like a
Oh
chef.
God, you use that same towel 3 days in a row and then you just be like, fuck it, I'm gonna wash it.
You got
Ugly
the face.
nigga.
You got the face of Shaquille O'Neal, but the body of a Chevy, bro. I'm on your shit, bro. Ugly as hell, boy.
Oh God, you got the face of a nigga named Enrique.
Nigga,
Ugly nigga.
your ass smell like. Oh,
Don't
it's
play
done
that
already.
noise, Frank.
Mine's done,
It's
Jonathan.
almost feeding time. Oh
Boy, you
God, his ass
ugly
need to
as
get your
hell.
ass on.
Alright. That's the last one, y'all. Appreciate y'all for hanging out here. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and drop a follow. I'm
You
about
look
to go
like
ahead
you
and do
look
some
like you look
battles.
like
So
when
if
you
you
was
guys
a,
want to
you
chill in
look
here, you
like
can.
you look like when you was a kid.
Yeah.
Your favorite you know what, bro? I'm gonna just shut the fuck up.
Yeah, before I turn that Mexican music on and you turn all the way up. Ugly nigga.
Boy, but ugly as hell. You know you want to be a food inspector with your big ass.
On
A food
God.
connoisseur. Ugly ass, but
On God,
Alright.
your sister got a quinceanera tomorrow. Ugly nigga.
one more round. Come on, one more round. Let's restart this month. One more
Nah,
round
this
before we go.
ain't
No,
top.
ugly nigga.
Boy, but ugly as hell.
Alright.
Yeah, get your
Hey,
ass
bro.
home, man.
Alright, bitch. Alright, man.